Welcome back guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to check if your phone is 4G or 5G. This video I'm explaining two easy method, you can follow it to 100% check it. Let's jump right in. First go to settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll all the way to the very bottom. Here you can find the about phone option, simply tap on it. After that you can find the product name section under your phone model. For example, my phone model is Galaxy M55 5G. This means my phone is 5G supported. If you don't find the 5G option here, this means your phone is 4G, not supported to 5G. There are also another way to check. Simply go back to the main settings, scroll all the way to the very top. You can see connection option, tap on it. After that, scroll down again. This time you can find the mobile network option. If it not appear, maybe your airplane mode is turned off. Simply turn them off first. After it turn off, go to mobile network. Here scroll through the page, find the network mode option, open it, and if you see the 5G preferred or similar name, this means your phone's 5G is supported. However, keep in mind, if you don't find the 5G preferred or similar name there, this means your phone is 4G, not be supported 5G. That's it guys, how you can easily check. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care.